It's first to appreciate your support. So RAM terms are around 45 that won't come on. So I'll show you how to troubleshoot, and this works on all machines. Same procedure. If the machine won't come on, you'll follow these steps. So let's try it first. So this is the off position, but now the machine won't come on. So what you're going to do is unplug it from power, and then we remove the top panel. Before removing that, remove the dispenser by pressing here, then pull out. So we remove these two screws. One is here, another one is here. So we start with the fuse. This is the fuse. So we remove this plastic cover. We use a flat to pull this out. But before you do that, confirm if there is power here. If there is power, now you proceed to this. So we test the fuse using a multimeter. So it shows a continuity of current. So the fuse is okay. So next we check the cable. So we want to see if this cable has a dent. If it has a dent, then power from the socket, from the main socket to this plug here to here, there won't be power, So we unplug the power filter. This is the power filter. So these cables come here to this power filter. So we're going to remove the power filter. So remove the screw that holds the power filter, and then we pull this out like that. Now we have access to the power filter. So what you're going to do, I'll put my multimeter on, and then I'll test from here to here, because I want to see if the wire is complete, if it has no dent. And then I'll also check this one here. So I'll do the neutral and the positive. It's C10 here, neutral, and the live one. So you see that one is plugged there. You check, there's continuity. So we move to the other one, the neutral one, plug it there. And then you see there's continuity. So the cable is very, very okay. So if the main socket is okay, the fuse is okay, the cable is okay, it means power is coming here. And it's there to get a faulty power filter. So if you check all that, everything is okay. Now we check if power is getting to the motherboard. To do that, I'll use a tester. So we'll plug this back. Like that. Turn the screw. So this panel has to be replaced, the entire panel. This is called the power control panel. That's faulty. So to order on every machine, you use the model number. This is a RAM tom, so R145.